Hello, buddies. Hopefully, you all are well and fine and working good. This session, we are going more about SQL statement and commands and in-depth knowledge of SQL language. So, we will continue. First, I will give you short intro about our channel, which is Virtual Pro. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. We continue uploading different sessions and different tutorials, like we have upload designing tutorial and want and keep continue more about designing tutorials, and now we are continuing SSRS and SQL languages tutorials, which is where we are trying to give you more tutorial session to learn you more about these development tools and languages. Now let's start our this session. In this session we are know about group by and order by keywords in SQL commands. First, I will use same as before I have done in previous session. Select SQL statement, select database, and then I use SQL. Then I type select statement ERP wish list and run it, means execute it. Now please check the result. This is ordered by default ID. You may check the sequence of order by of whole records which are sorted by ID. If we want to order by this whole record or rows by name or any by date, which is temp and date field, we can use order by keyword and apply which field we want to order by. Like I use add-on and execute SQL command. Now you may check this 3D key ID is comes at 10 number because the order sequence of is respect to add-on field. You may check this is the whole time frame period. Now by default this order by is ascending order. If we want to change this ascending order to descending order, then we have type DSC for descending order. By default SQL order by it ascending order, which is ASC. Now I descending order add by add on DSC. Now you may see that the whole things are changed, which is ID is 97 is come first in our last statement, this is at the bottom. Now applying this statement and execute it, the 97 at the top, because it is ordered by add-on and descending order. Now I can also use different fields at same SQL command by applying add-on, add by, and status descending. This add by is by default in ascending order, and status is I type manually to descending order. Now run it and check the result. This is quite a bit same. There is nothing different. Now we will change the whole thing and let's try what the change happened. It is still same thing. Now we will keep it and change this and execute this query. Now the whole result is changed, and we can see that the 8, 9 and 7 thing are added by posting user and which have P status, while 5, 23 and 27 are posted by super user which have U status. And similarly, U is descending, U is A, B, C. If U comes towards X, Y, Z, Y, then U is the first, then P is after that, and this sequence is continuing, and this super user stop. That's why support user start, and it's descending. Its ordering is followed by this status, because first SQL use add by statement, and which the user is sorted or ordered by, like posting, super, support, that's all. Then SQL will follow the next statement and order by this next field, which is P, U, P, then U, and then P. Okay, understood? This is the our order by statement. Now we will move towards group by statement. We will group by add user. It will give first error, incorrect sentence near the group by, because I use group by statement with static. I need to use some specific field or concatenation or sum of field. If I want, I can use sum operator, I can use count operator, count function, and sum function with static. Now run it and give it the last at the end of group by and execute. it is still error because of status. Now we will use group by status as well and run it. Now it will give it. Now check it out. We will this static is group by dash. Now I will count this and add user. This is a user and this is the status. Field. This is one user. These are three users which we have shown that the first posting, then support, and then other is super. Now if I use group by with status field, then it will give two results, and our previous statement gives us sum up of these two queries, that is user and status. Now I will, this is the status. 18 have status pending or other are underutilized or U status utilized. Now I added use group add by user, add by we can also remove order by statement. Now 3D is posting user, in which it will also further divided into these subcategories, which is our status and add by. Now for this we use status here and add by user to see what field we are showing. Now this P posting user have 3 count, this P super user have 19 count, this user use status super user have 10 count, and this P. Now we will remove this and use static count. Now this 3 and you may see the whole result. P status have and posting user have 3 count, P status having super user have 19 count, U status having super user have 10 count, Now you can learn easily that how group by and order by works in SQL commands and query language. Now share, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel that which is Visual Pro, and give your feedback, what changes you want and what type of videos and tutorials you want to learn. Thanks.